Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Happy Louis Vuitton Day, guys! And you know what that means. I'm going to share to you up and coming and new Louis Vuitton bag collection. Yes! So I will be providing you all the information that you need to know from names, product codes, product feature, prices, SKU, and the launch date. All you need to do, just kindly ready your phones and laptop to take a screenshot. And for orders and availability, kindly check the website and your CA. So guys, I'm inviting you to watch until the end of our episode and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Looking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. We're almost there. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys! For today's episode, I'll be sharing teasers and leaks from Louis Vuitton's latest denim collection. Prices, SKU will be shared once I have more information about this latest collection. Happy shopping, everyone! So the very first one that we are going to discuss would be the Never Fall PM. So this is from the Louis Vuitton Denim Collection Pre-Fall 2026. So the material is monogram denim with cowhide leather trims. So I'm not really sure what's the name of this colorway, but it looks like a kind of sand beige colorway. It would come, of course, with vachetta leather trims, detachable leather bag tag, and of course it would come with the classic Louis Vuitton mini pochette for the Never Fall. So next on the collection, so we have the Speedy 25. This is so gorgeous. I think the reason why I am responding more to this denim collection because the colorway is very much more of me, more of the gray neutral color. Then of course, as you can see, it's like we could really tell that the Louis Vuitton monogram is a little bit debossed. And of course, I love the contrast of the monogram, and the Speedy 25 is so gorgeous because it's a little bit on the slouchier version. It comes, of course, with a strap that you could wear this one perhaps as a shoulder bag. Then next on the collection, we have the Diane. So for the Diane, so the materials monogram denim with cowhide leather trims, detachable vachetta leather strap, two straps. So one you could wear as a shoulder bag and one as a crossbody. It would also come with detachable bag tag as we could see here. Then of course, this is a close-up view. So it has a magnetic lock closure. So this size of Diane is perfect for work, for your everyday errands that you're going to need. Then guys, how gorgeous is this side trunk PM? So it would come, of course, with the same monogram denim material. And guys, could you take a look at this very beautiful braided leather top candle? Super gorgeous. It is fully detachable. Another strap comes with, which is made of also vachetta, but you could use that to wear this one as a crossbody. So this side trunk also comes with detachable bag tag. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, collar, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! Alright, so next on the denim collection that we are going to discuss would be the very beautiful Carry All size PM. So monogram denim with cowhide leather trims with the adjustable vachetta leather strap. So that one is non-detachable and it would come with the leather bag tag. So this is the close-up view. So as you know, this is the mechanism of Louis Vuitton strap where it is actually adjustable. Then I love, of course, the style of this bag. It slouches at the middle, so we are going to be very comfortable wearing this over our shoulder. Next, we have a little bit of SLG. So we have the zippy wallet, comes in the same material of monogram denim with cowhide leather trim. So this is a full zip wallet, as we could see here. It comes, of course, with vachetta leather trims on the zipper pull tab. Then, of course, it is using a gold tone hardware. How gorgeous is a zippy wallet? Also, since this is made of denim, then it would be perfect for every day. We're not going to worry about damaging this beautiful SLG. So next on the collection, as a travel piece or a travel bag, we have the Keepall size 45. So this is a closer view. The material is like still the gray beige monogram denim with cowhide leather trims. As you can see, it comes with 2 roll top handles, which is made of vachetta. It comes with vachetta bag tag that is fully detachable, and the leather strap is fully detachable and adjustable as well. So it has all the features of the classic Keepall, perfect for travel, definitely. That is a big yes. Then if you're looking for something smaller, maybe for an evening event, we have the pochette heel. So guys, please take note, the pochette heel, this is a little bit smaller, so just perfect for an evening bag. I'm not really sure it would work as an everyday bag, but if you carry just a little bit, then maybe it would still work for you. So the main materials, monogram denim with cowhide leather trims, adjustable vachetta leather strap, as we could see here, and of course it comes with gold tone hardware. Next on the collection, guys, so we have the Nice BB. So the material is still the same, monogram denim with cowhide leather trims, but the colorway now, guys, is different. So this is not the official name, but it looks like kind of color peach or salmon. And of course, it would come with vachetta top handle and gold hardware. Still part of the Louis Vuitton denim collection. So love, love, love. Actually, this colorway, I'm a little bit confused which is my favorite, but I guess I'm leaning more towards with the gray beige colorway. Next on the collection, my forever crush, we have the Alma BB. So as you can see, guys, maybe it is just in the photos, but the Nice that we have discussed earlier is a little bit more on the orangey side versus this Alma BB. This one is a little bit pale. So I guess, guys, I could be wrong. It could just be photos, but then again, they could be of the same shade. So it comes, of course, with the classic Alma BB features like detachable leather strap, and of course, instead of a key clochette, it comes with detachable leather bag tag. But of course, it would still come with the lock and key set as well. So next on the collection, let us discuss OMG, a Speedy 20. So actually, guys, the Speedy, this is the one bag that I still don't have on my collection. So when I have visited LV recently, I have tried the Speedy 20 and the Speedy 25. So they are definitely on my wish list, including this one. So gorgeous in the color peach. Again, not the official name. Comes with the Speedy features, detachable leather strap. It comes with detachable bag tag, lock, and key set as well. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? Which of the Louis Vuitton bag is your favorite? Kindly comment down below. I would love to hear your opinion on the new collection. Also, if you have stayed until this part of this vlog, kindly leave me a bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's @Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!